Hi friends and past clients. I hope this message finds you well. Today is Wednesday, April 28th, and today I'm coming to you as a friend, not as a mortgage professional, not as a branch manager, but as a friend. I'm going to be direct. This is something that's been heavy on my heart, and I hope you take a minute to listen. If you don't want to destroy your credit and put your family at risk of foreclosure or potential repercussions down the road, do not fall for this mortgage forbearance trap. Your mortgage payment for April is due in 2 days. Do not believe what the media, the government, a note on your mortgage statement, or a teller in a call center is telling you about the mortgage forbearance program. It's not the full truth. The CARES Act was passed. It requires loan servicers to allow for a forbearance up to 3 months. They cannot say no to the government. But this does not mean you're immune to the repercussions of missing your mortgage payments. Let me be crystal clear. Forbearance does not mean forgiveness. Of course, if you're in dire straits and it comes down to putting food on the table or making your mortgage payment, of course, put food on the table. Look at all options. But nothing is free when it comes to the government. So let's talk about if you decide to do a forbearance. Let's just take an example. If your mortgage payment is $2,000 per month. So they're going to tell you that, hey, listen, don't make your mortgage payment for 3 months. So now you have $6,000 that's been deferred. On month 4, you have your payment that's due, which is $2,000 plus the $6,000 that you deferred. So you have a couple different options at this point. Some servicers will require you to pay everything in full. So you have to come up with a check for $8,000. If you're a government serviced loan, which not all loans are they're not government notes, then you might have a couple other options. One would be to modify your mortgage. The downside to this is, of course, that's going to destroy your credit. It will get reported to the credit bureaus, and you'll be ineligible to purchase another property or to even refinance a loan for at least 12 months. The third option would be to go into a long-term deferral program if you qualify. And again, it's only if you have certain types of loans. But again, this is going to go ahead and destroy your credit as well. There's also going to be qualifications attached to that. So if you were not directly impacted and you cannot prove that you actually had the virus or that you were laid off, then you may not qualify for one of those other programs. So most people are going to be sitting at the end of 3 months and have to come up with another $8,000 to make that payment in that example, which is going to put people in a very tough situation where you could potentially foreclose and not even be able to come up and catch up and make that payment. I'm politely, professionally, and sympathetically encouraging you to make your payment for April if you haven't done it. I saw the same thing that happened back in 2008 and 2009 with loan modifications and short sales and families going through all sorts of hardships. This will not end well if you miss your mortgage payment. I'm here to help. If you want me to review anything, if you just need a confidential conversation, I'm always here for questions if you have them. I just know too much about this mortgage forbearance program to keep quiet about it. And I don't want any of my clients or friends to get caught into this trap. If you find this information useful, please share it with somebody that you may think that it might help. Time is running out. Again, there's 2 months for April. So if you have filed a forbearance for this month and you don't really need to do it, please contact them, cancel the forbearance, and make your payment for this month. It's not worth it. Thank you so much. I'm here if you need me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.